Okay, I'm sorry, just you cut out for a second there. What was the question?
We shouldn't stay here. We should go behind it. It's coming right at us now.
This, just a little bit. Don't go too far. Right now, this tornado is going through some farmland. It's about to hit a field of corn, actually, and we are on County Road 99. It is directly south of 99, and it's east of 111. And we do see some debris. Luckily, right now, it's only in a little grove of trees, so it is not hitting any residential area, but there could be a house nearby because there are houses here along County Road 99. Hello? I'm sorry. You're breaking up a little bit.
There's still got a rope in there. Don't stay out there too long. We need to go. We need to move that way.
Hang on.
It's coming right at us.
Hang on one second. I can't hear them. They're breaking up. Can you take the phone? I just have to get this set up.
Yeah, but I'll be careful.
All right.
I'm just going to turn my truck around pointing this way, okay? Holy crap. Pull them off the wood.
That's huge. That's a big wedge. Large tornado, big wedge tornado on the ground. It's right along County Road 99, just outside of St. Peter. We are just west of St. Peter. The power lines are down, and this tornado is continuing to head towards St. Peter. It's a very strong storm, and there will be large hail with it as well. Definitely, this is a very strong updraft, and we can't categorize it in terms of an F scale rating at this time, but it has downed power lines, so it's a very strong tornado.
You know, that's the whole tornado we're looking at.
Yes, they can be cyclic storms, which means that they keep producing tornadoes, and even though a tornado may have lifted, it can touch down again at any time. So please, if you're anywhere in the area, be aware of that. Oh, listen to the propane. There's where it was something going on up here. Wonder if somebody's hurt, if there's any cars that were turned over.
All right, we'll keep going. We'll just avoid.
Oh, it came right through.
Look here, Mel.
Oh, amazing.
Yep.
God, let's figure out how, is this an eighth of a mile from St. Peter?
We're just south of St. Peter.
Yeah.
This is not, I mean, this is like a quarter mile.
Yeah.
About a half
What's
mile.
going on up here? Somebody might be, there's people running around.
Okay.
There might be a car that...
Yeah, watch for an ambulance.
Yeah.
Back here.
You watch, and I'm...
Well, they're alive.
Yeah.
Oh my.
All smoking cigarettes, like, look at this.
Oh.
If that had gone through St. Peter,
wait.
man.
People's
Yeah,
cars,
just,
people's windows are all broken out.
seriously?
Where is that, Mel?
Right here in front of us. The guy has all his windows are